I'm here at the Magic Kingdom on a windy tropical storm or Hurricane Helene. Hope everyone is staying safe. I wanted to celebrate with Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, but it is currently sold out for all the dates, so I'll have to find another Halloween event to go to. But I appreciate you following along. I just got over 100 subscribers. Thank you for following along. I hope it continues. I really enjoy going to the parks and sharing all my experiences. Welcome back to A Bouncy Journey, and let's go to the Magic Kingdom and see how busy it is today. As soon as I'm at the Ticket and Transportation Center, the monorail is pulling into the station. Okay, so if you didn't get your tickets for the Not So Scary Party, they are all sold out for the season. I've been before, so I'll post some pictures from the event before. And tonight, since the storm of Helene had entered Florida or on the coast, the party is also canceled for tonight, and Magic Kingdom closes at 8 p.m. Okay, so as I'm walking up to the ferry boat, it is very breezy. It's about 85 degrees, so still humid. They said from Hurricane Helene that we might see some more outer bands this afternoon. So the footage you might have seen from others was accurate. We did have some rain this morning, but nothing terrible. So Magic Kingdom is open. So I just missed the ferry boat. It'll probably take about 7 to 10 minutes to get back from the lagoon. I think they probably only have one running today due to the storm, not knowing what it was going to be. So we'll just have to wait here. While I'm waiting on the ferry boat, these are the wait times for the current situation at the Magic Kingdom. Everything seems to be reasonably wait time. Let me see what maybe is a bigger, even Big Thunder is 15 minutes. Let me see. Buzz Lightyear's 20, Space Mountain's 20, Winnie Pooh's 35, Mine Train's 45, Peter Pan's 40 even, Tron 50, Tom Sawyer Island of course is closed due to weather permitting. But these are the current wait times here on the day of Hurricane Helene. So to update you guys, we do have a website called A Bouncy Journey, and these are some of the closures that you'll find on our website for Disney World and Universal. Here in the Orlando area, if you were wondering, SeaWorld, Busch Gardens. So some of the updates that we have along with the videos on YouTube, you can follow along on abouncydjourney.com or follow me on Instagram as well. I have the whole back of the ferry boat to myself. It's all empty, so not busy. And you guys can tell by the wait times it's not very busy. And the Polynesian pulling away from the bungalows. Coming up on the Contemporary Resort. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a great day. Keep on following along and keep you guys updated through the storm. And I appreciate all the support here on the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A view of Disney's Bay Lake Tower and Disney's Contemporary Resort. Have you guys dined at California Grill? You get to see a great view of the fireworks from up there. For Happily Ever After. You guys can see the bushes blowing. It's about 15 miles an hour here, but not too bad. Okay, welcome to the Magic Kingdom, everybody. As you can see, all of the Halloween decorations. And like I said, I want to go to the Not So Scary Party, but it is sold out. But I love all the decorations, and I can hear the train coming. So what a great entrance here that we have at the Magic Kingdom with all the decorations and the pumpkins here. So how cute. Let's see the train pull up, and then I'll go into the park. There's the train. What a great entrance, guys. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Where else would I celebrate my 105 subscribers but here with Mickey? A 10-minute wait, so let's go see him. Nowhere else I'd rather celebrate than tell Mickey himself that I got 105 subscribers today. I'm so excited. Thank you guys. I'm so excited. Yay! Woohoo! Gonna meet Mickey himself. Gotta tell him all about our success here. So the art department here, look at all the animations. It's so cool. Inside Where to Meet Mickey. Right here in Town Square Theater. Looking at all of Mickey's mail here. Can you open it? No. So for each person here, ticketing, publicity, interesting for his desk. So inside where you see Mickey, you can see the rehearsal schedule of activities it looks like he'll be doing today. How exciting, we're here to meet Mickey. Mickey with unknown powers, magician. Maybe can put some powers on my channel here. So I'll have to ask him. Look at all of Mickey's things here and his magician. He has a sorcerer hat, magic ball.
And then we'll swap out and take the photos.
So, and then you can see all his things here. Hi. He's the master magician. Hey, Mickey. I'm your last one right now. I'm so excited. So maybe you can put some of your magical powers, right? So I have a YouTube channel, and I got over 100 subscribers in this month. So can you sprinkle some more magic for me? I definitely need it. Okay, so as soon as you come out from meeting Mickey, you go straight into a gift shop. Wouldn't expect anything else. Mickey was so happy. You create your own headband here. Oh no, these are the new emos, Munchlings. So, in Mickey's shop here. He was so excited. He was so excited to celebrate that I got over 100 subscribers. So he sprinkled some more magic for me. So hopefully that works. Because I saw Mickey. These ears are cool. I like those here. So just some look at more of the Halloween merchandise. Okay, if you guys didn't know, you can get your hat embroidered right here in Town Square Theater. It used to be next to the confectionery, but it is now. Yeah, I'm YouTubing. Hi, how are you? The vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Hi, what's your name? What is it?
Jacqueline.
Nice to meet you. How are you? Are you having a great time here at Disney? Yeah? Or where are you from? Where are you from? What state?
Here.
Oh, you're from Florida? Okay. So you're not scared of any storm then. You're here at Disney. So if you want to follow along, it's a Bouncing Journey on YouTube, okay? Yeah, nice to meet you. So they currently have the robes for the 3 o'clock parade, but we'll see if they still work with it for weather permitting. So since the wind is picking up, not sure what the rules are for that, but we'll just continue going along Main Street. I'm going to get a coffee, I think, and a snack, but people are lining up for the parade at 3. It's currently 1:30. That's a little early. So, but as you can see, the wind is blowing, picking up. So I'm going to see if I can go into Starbucks and grab something and find somewhere to sit. Hopefully the sky doesn't open up, so we'll see. Getting close to 2, so it's supposed to be like the prime time to the storm, the outer bands. So we'll see what happens here. And again, more balloons. We saw that yesterday at Hollywood Studios. Saw the balloons, so hopefully they don't fly away. So, but let me see on the schedule if they change the parade time. Okay, now I see why everybody's lining up. The parade is at 2 o'clock, Festival of Fantasy, not 3 o'clock. For Tropical Storm or Hurricane Helene, make sure everyone stays safe. They postponed it to 2 o'clock. So much entertainment, so lively here at Magic today. Grabbing a drink at Starbucks, and it's a little busy in here, but I guess everybody's getting ready for the parade. So I'll get a strawberry acai lemonade. I don't need another coffee. So, and the side of the Main Street Bakery, and maybe a snack, and then watch the parade. I'm excited. If you guys see me in the parks and YouTubing, just say hi. I'll say hi to you, and if you want to be on the vlog, so we can do that too. So that's exciting. I'm excited, guys. While I'm waiting for the parade, I can see the new Dooney and Burke's here in the window. The 3 Caballeros. So they have them right here in Uptown Jewelers. So you guys can see Dooney and Burke bags. Okay, right here on Main Street, waiting for the parade to start. It is a little after 2, so I think they're debating whether to hold it or not. We'll see. If so, I'll add it in the video. Permitted it to happen. You guys know the weather within a 5-mile radius. They cannot do it, but it seems that we're not in any risk. So here comes the parade.
Royal guests from near and far, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. You are warmly invited to join Mickey Mouse and his Fantasyland friends for a magical celebration in the streets. Dreams will come true, paths will soar, and you will become a part of the magic. For the time has come to take your places and prepare to welcome the wondrous and wonderful Disney Festival. fancy parade.
It's a festival of fantasy, beauty and majesty, shining It's a festival of fantasy.
Here comes down Main Street, guys. Let's hold this. Hopefully this is not copyright strike, so I'm trying to talk over it. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom on a tropical storm, Hurricane Helene Day. I think that's how you pronounce it. So talking over that. Rising in the east. Hopefully that's focused enough. Now Cinderella turned around. There's Tiana and Prince Naveen. Oh, Anna and Elsa. And Olaf too. Hopefully that's focused enough. Now Cinderella turned around. There's Tiana and Prince Naveen. Oh, Anna and Elsa. And Olaf too. Mickey girl. Fly, you can fly. Don't forget Tinkerbell. And Smee. Yup. Look at Smee. Follow the leader. Here comes Maleficent's dragon. I don't know if it's blowing the fire today, guys. Not sure. We'll have to see. Let's see. You gonna blow the fire today? Maybe. Nope, I don't think so. Probably due to safety reasons, they can't. Here comes the 7 dwarfs and Jiminy Cricket. And Mickey and Minnie are the finale. Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. And Alice, Jiminy Cricket, Mad Hatter. Oh, Grumpy's not having it. Oh, he thumbs it down. And Mickey and Minnie. Oh, Jiminy Cricket, when you wish upon a star. M-O-U-S. Mickey and Minnie, sprinkle that extra dust for me. And all their friends. Daisy, Chippendale, Donald and Daisy blowing kisses. That's so cute. All their friends. Wind is definitely picking up here, guys. So it's supposed to be about 15 miles an hour. When I go to lunch, I will check. Things are closed, like where you get the hamburger rolls, the cheeseburger rolls, and the pepperoni rolls. It's closed. So I'm going to head over to Pico's Bills. But they probably anticipated on things not being too busy today. So, but it's a little bit busy. I haven't even ridden any rides, just showing you guys around the Magic Kingdom. So, at least I'll get on Tiana's today with no wait. So at least I can do that. Here you guys can see the trees are blowing the Jungle Cruises. Again, under refurb, they're not closed because of the storm today, but I'm sure they would be if it wasn't under refurb. So you can see the trees swaying here at the park. If you guys see me adjusting my camera, it's because I'm putting it back to center. So if there's like a little switch, I would say, then definitely that's because I'm adjusting my camera. So just so you guys can get a better view in the video. But the wind feels really nice. So I hope everyone is, again, staying safe. And thank you for following along with us. It's nice and cool in here, and it's not that full, as you guys can see. Some of the tables are empty, so that's nice.
If they are lost, they can scan them.
And I'll go pick up my mug order and show you guys what I got. I also don't know if you guys know, Pico's Bills has a new menu. This is the grilled masa flatbread with Coca-Cola braised beef and root beer. So right before I ride Tiana's bio, let's see how it tastes. So if you guys are aware, Pico's Bills has a new flatbread. It's the masa one with cherry Coke, beef, and a root beer. I like the chunks of cheese on it, so I don't recommend that. But it has the beef, lettuce, beans. I would probably rate this flatbread a 3 out of 5. I just don't care for the bread, the style of bread. The meat is really spicy. If you add it, it's $2 extra. But a 3 out of 5. I don't recommend it. I would try something else from their new menu. So here in Pico's Bills, they used to have a topping bar. Do you guys remember that? So it used to be all your toppings here for your tacos and everything. But now they have everything on one menu, and this has never come back open since COVID. So they don't have that. It's just kind of like you can get your creamers for your coffee, ketchup, condiments, things that are packaged in your silverware, but no more topping bar. So, and then the other side, actually where you come in, is going to be the exit for the Country Bears. So the exit will be right over here. This is where the Country Bears come out, and then you have Pico's Bills over here. So tons of seating today. Some people try to find the smallest spot, but plenty of seating today. Hello. Thanks, you too. So I come out of Pico's Bills, and it's a little bit different than when I went in. The sun is kind of behind the clouds. Wind has picked up, but looks okay. Still no threatening weather at the moment. Just to update you guys. So hopefully I can ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure because I have a virtual queue. So we'll see if they continue to keep it open, but I hope so. Okay, so as I'm walking over to Tiana's, Tom Sawyer Island is closed, and as well as some of the carts here are closed as well. Just because they probably weren't expecting full attendance today. So, but Tom Sawyer Island is going to be closing anyway, you know, to make room for Cars Land and Billings and all of that. So here it is, and it's empty at the moment. You guys can kind of see the view, but it is closed because of weather. What's interesting is that Tom Sawyer Island, I guess because of the trees and everything, is closed. But what's interesting is the riverboat is still running. So are you guys going to miss this when it's gone from the Magic Kingdom to make room for Cars Land and Billings Land? So, but I guess with the trees and everything, is a risky island to be on. It's a risky island to be on with all the trees and everything, so my ears are about to blow off. You guys can see how windy it is. You can see the riverboat, so it's kind of cool to have it operating. So, but the wind is blowing, so you can see that here. So just a view of the Magic Kingdom at the moment. Let's see, these people are probably wondering why I'm filming them, but the riverboat here going around. What a relaxing day though. That's kind of cool. Just to relax on a day like today. You get to come to the Magic Kingdom. How lucky we are. Hopefully everyone is staying safe for the storm. So, but just a relaxing day. There's not too many people on it. There's some people, but not too many. So, yeah. Did you guys see that splash? The wind is definitely picking up. What a fun ride. It's about 25 miles an hour, but still 85 degrees. But a lot of gusts of wind coming up, but I almost lost my ears. Good thing they're pretty heavy. So, but yeah, it's picking up here. But still having a good time. Magic Kingdom. Friday today. It's about 4:20, so let me see how long it'll be because I might not be able to due to weather coming in. Okay, so as I'm waiting for Tiana's outdoor ride, Pirates of the Caribbean, it's only 10 minutes. So not too bad. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Been here pretty much all day to show you guys what Magic Kingdom looks like. Guys, you don't see these as a walk-on that often. About 10 minutes to Pirates of the Caribbean. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And you guys are staying safe during the storm. Just want to give you some updates in what Magic Kingdom looked like for the day. So that way you guys kind of knew how busy it was. And if there were people still attending the parks, which they are, because schools were out, everything was closed. So everybody decided to take a day and come to the Magic Kingdom. This is interesting, coming in the other door. The other door is actually closed. That's because it's only 10 minutes. That's weird. Along in the queue. I think this is less than 10 minutes. I think it's a walk-on. Like I was saying. No wait at all. Waited less than 5 minutes and now I'll enjoy Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow around.
So it's about 5:30. I'm waiting for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I have about 7 more groups to go. It's taken about an hour. Big Al's is closed for the night. So because the wind, as you see, is picking up. So ride Tiana's, and I'm sure everybody's going to be leaving soon because it's getting later in the day and the park does close at 8 o'clock. That riverboat is so noisy. Look at this pretty view for Big Thunder Mountain. Just a view of the Magic Kingdom. The Tom Sawyer Island boats are just sitting today in the water. Pretty views of the Magic Kingdom though. Take in it all if you have time. Pretty tranquil, relaxing. Hi Squirrel, make sure you get to safety. Okay, are you scared? Yeah. Things you never really get to look at. The Tom Sawyer Island map. So you guys can zoom in and see the Explorer map and what's offered over there for the time being. It will be closing very soon for those other refurbishments. Did you guys just hear those people say Splash Mountain? It's Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Definitely has changed. They probably don't know. If you don't know, Splash Mountain did change to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. That's kind of funny. Big Thunder Mountain's supposed to 25 minutes. And again, I'm still waiting for my virtual queue. So you can see some of the debris on the ground from the wind. So here at the Magic Kingdom. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse than that because it's kind of messy as you're walking through. Pretty messy from the debris. The wait times have gone down a little bit. Buzz Lightyear's only 5 minutes. Space Mountain 5 minutes. Little Mermaid and Big Thunder was 25. Haunted Mansion says a walk-on, but that line was really long. Winnie the Pooh was like 25. You can kind of get an idea of what the park looks like here at 5:30. And Mine Train 30 minutes. Tron 45 because it's no longer a virtual queue. So this is what it looks like at 5:30, but again the park closes at 8. Going down the bayou. It's pretty cold down here, but I'm glad I get to ride it today. It's unusual because usually the virtual queues are all gone for the day. Once I had the virtual queue, it was a walk-on, so it won't be too much longer to ride Tiana's Bayou today. You may get wet. Last chance to exit. Here we go.
Hold on to your loose sights. I recommend taking yours off.
Here we go. I definitely recommend taking your ears off too. I almost lost them on the last ride. Wait for the next one to go up. Probably due to weather. We're riding them pretty close together, actually. So windy.
Hey, hello. Lewis is up ahead. Let's join him and find a band for our celebration. To the night.
Gonna stop me now, cause I'm almost there.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
It's so windy, guys. So windy. We're almost there. Such a pretty view. Okay, guys, I might have to put my camera away for this one. We might get kind of wet. Woo! Going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou, all the way.
Yeah, I wouldn't give y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah!
They're the bees and me. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight. They sure can play, but we gotta keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Here we go, Mama Odie. We're all shrunk down in the bayou.
We have to find them.
Find out who you are and dig a little deeper. Find out what you are, find out who you need. There's the sunshine here. Oh my gosh. For the big ride, I will convert over to my phone. Because this camera's not waterproof. See how you're all shrunk down?
Tiny musicians you found sure do bring the heat.
Choo-choo said this time I get you back to size. But invite your little friends to tag along too. Again, tiny. Now let's get you back to the big
The big hop, 50 feet, guys. Good thing I put my camera away because it's not waterproof. One more section. I'm going to be freezing now. It's really windy. On my way out, and things are definitely closing here around 6 o'clock. So everybody's heading home, and they're closing things up just in case things blow away or try to blow away. Covering everything up. So had a great day in the Magic Kingdom. Thanks again for watching. See you real soon. Ta-ta for now. Around 6:30 and everything's lit up. So pretty.